Now, a list is mutable. Okay. So keep in mind, because a string is immutable, meaning that its structure in a string, this structure cannot be changed, but a list is changeable. So it's mutable. So keep in mind that at any point in its lifetime, elements can be inserted, removed, or replaced. The list maintains its identity, but its state, its length, and its contents can change. So you could see here in the subscript operator, if you want to assign the element to a different value here in the subscript example, subscript 3, and assign that to 0, you can see the replacement. So note that the subscript is used to reference the target of the assignment statement, which is not the list, but an element's position within it. Much of the list processing involves replacing each element with the result of applying some operation of that element. So you could see that actually having this good stuff in the assignment makes sense of what's actually happening. So you could also replace this with in strings. You'll see here, if I use the split function, okay, that actually has this, the split will allow this method to be actually split into different sentences based upon the space. It's the default in split. So now you could see if I assign the index to be 0, and then I say, while the index is less than length of words, in other words, I just keep going through the words, I then can increase the index. So it goes from word 0, then word 1, then 2. And then what it's doing, as you see here in the function, it's just increasing it to the uppercase. You'll see that you can assign in the one on the bottom, numbers can be assigned to the range of 6 from 0 to 5. And then you can go ahead and say, all right, from 0 to 3, let's replace the first 3 elements with 11, 12, and 13. You can see that in that good stuff as well.